Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your site pushes a clear e-commerce data layer with transaction ID, value, items, and currency, because tags read that. Once done, log into Google Tag Manager and open the container, then enable preview mode so you can test live without publishing. Next, add a GA4 configuration tag with your measurement ID and set it to fire on all pages. This provides core analytics context. Make sure to save and name versions as you progress so you can revert if needed. Now implement the purchase event. Create a GA4 event tag, set event name to purchase, and map parameters to data layer variables you create for transaction ID, value, currency, and items so values pass correctly. Use a custom event trigger listening for the data layer event name, for example purchase or e-commerce purchase, and scope it to the confirmation page if needed. Once configured, enter preview, complete a test purchase, and watch the tag assistant. Verify parameter values, event firing, and that duplicates aren't created before publishing. Finish by validating and publishing. You must check GA4 debug view and GTM preview simultaneously. Confirm the purchase event arrives with correct transaction ID and revenue. If you don't see data, make sure the data layer pushes before the tag fires. You may need a DOM ready trigger or to push a specific event. Also verify variable names match exactly, since casing and underscores matter. Finally, if duplicates appear, inspect trigger overlap and add a block or use a session dedupe parameter before you publish the final version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.